Why does your scanner show the P0170 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0170 engine fault code stands for fuel trim malfunction in the Bank 1. The P0170 engine error code indicates a fuel trim malfunction, which means the powertrain control module, PCM, cannot regulate the air-fuel mixture. This can happen when the PCM adds or subtracts too much fuel, resulting in a mixture that is too rich or too lean. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel system issues, oxygen sensor problems, MAF sensor malfunctions, engine oil or contamination, vacuum or ECU issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. This code is most common in imported European cars, especially turbocharged petrol models from Mercedes-Benz, Audi, BMW, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.